Welcome to this case study video for this month, and in this video we are going to look at the real problem solving journey around the problem statement called as ElderGuard AI. So as part of a pilot program, a team of second year engineering students, they actually worked on understanding the challenges that is faced by elderly people and explored how technology could support them in areas such as health monitoring, medication reminders, appointments, emergency support, and even communication with the AI. So what made this exercise interesting was that the students were not simply asked to come up with an idea. They had to understand the problem, think about the users, explore the possible solutions, and they gradually looked at how their idea could actually be converted into a technology based product. So as the journey progressed, the students also had to think beyond the features of the application, and they considered how the different components could work together from a system design perspective. So for this case study, we also had the opportunity to present the team's work to an external mentors and industry mentors coming to our college and giving their insights and feedbacks. So rather than just looking at this ElderGuard AI only as a final product, this video will actually give us an opportunity to understand the thinking, the decision the students made, and the learning that happened during the process. So the back end the work, the front end work, and all those working on the workbench, the features, how it is really working, what are the system design concepts they have used. So each students will split up among themselves and they'll be presenting a video in this case study. And let's take a look at this case study and hear the perspectives and the feedback that was given by the students. Let's begin. I'm handing it over to the students now.
We are here to present a product. So let me introduce myself and my team. Myself Charitra and she is Ilekya Devi. He is Dinesh and Lokesh. We are second year student of SNS institution. So let me explain the problem statement with an scenario. A 67-old grandfather lived with his son. He has a type 1 diabetes, so he has to take a medicine twice a day, at the morning and night. His family members goes to the office and schools, so he will be alone at home. At the time of morning, he forgot to take a medicine, so in the mid of an afternoon, he forgot in the mid of the afternoon he becomes unconsciousness, so no one is there for a help. So in this scenario we have a three conditions. First, he will be alone at home. Second, he forgot to take a medicine. Third, in emergency period there is no one to help. So we had a solution to resolve this condition called a ElderGuard AI to help the elder people during emergency period and lead a independent life. So a product as a primary users. So elder people and the caretaker. Elder people use this product to manage their medicine and health themselves. Caretaker who support the elder people. A secondary user, doctor and pharmacy. So, so a product going to resolve all these conditions and further will explained by Ilekya Devi.
Thank you, Sharatra. Now, I would like to explain our solution and how ElderGuard AI supports senior citizens in their daily life. Our solutions has six key features. First is a medicine reminder, sends a timely reminder to help seniors to take their medicines on time. It also have caretaker to send medicine reminder to the elders on time to avoid the skipping of medicine. Next, the doctor can also prescribe medicines to the elder ones to take medicines in the emergency times. Next is an SOS alert. Allows seniors to quickly notify their registered caregivers during an emergency situation. Next is an appointment booking. Helps user book doctor appointments and receives reminder from for upcoming visits. Next, next is the community event. Connects seniors with health camp, wellness programs, and social activities to keep them active and connected with the elders in the same age. Next is an AI chatbot, which provides simple health related guidance and helps users interact with the platform during their alone time. Next is an health recommendation. Users uploaded health reports to provide personalized wellness suggestions. Together, these features makes elders care protect, and connect while helping seniors maintain independently and give family peace of mind. Thank you.
Thank you, Lakya. Now I'll briefly explain the technical architecture of ElderGuard AI. Our platform follows a scalable microservice architecture with five role-based portals: elder, caregiver, doctor, hospital, and pharmacy. At step one, user interacts through the perspective portals with communication secured using HTTPS and TLS. At step two, all requests pass through our API gateway using Kong and Nginx. This is responsible for JWT or auth, OAuth2 authentication, RBAC authorization and rate limiting, request validation, and WAF protection. At step three, you request us routed to the independent Python fast API microservices such as user management, appointment, emergency SOS, notification, health monitoring, medications, and AI services. Console or EDTC can handle services and discovery between the microservices. At step 4, we have our data and AI layer. Supabase and PostgreSQL stores structured healthcare data. Supabase storage handles the medical documents. Redis provides low latency caching, and PG Vector supports semantic search. Our AI service uses LangChain while Tesseract OCR extracts the text from medical reports. At step 5, we use RabbitMQ for event-driven asynchronous communication and SSE for real-time update. For example, when an elder triggers an SOS, the request goes through the API gateway to the emergency SOS service. Then the service publishes a unique SOS event to the RabbitMQ. The hospital service process the emergency while the notification service simultaneously alerts the caregiver through SMS, voice, or even real-time notification. Step 6 integrates external services such as Twilio and SendGrid and healthcare APIs, while Step 7 uses GitHub and Docker for development and deployment. So the complete workflow is user to the API gateway to the microservices, microservice to the data and AI layer to the then it goes to the RabbitMQ, then it goes to the hospitals and notifications. This architecture gives LDA AI security, scalability, fault isolation, and real-time emergency handling.
We also created our backend work in the SNS workbench. First is a medicine reminder, which collects the data in a Google Sheet, and we use schedule trigger to check whether the given time and the triggering time are same using the code node, and the telegram message will be sent to the user to take the medicines on time with the medicine name, time, and date. If the uh, if the uh, caretaker if the elder had taken the medicine, the details will be uploaded in the sheet. If not, the alert will be sent to the elders, see caretakers, that the elders did not take the medicines. Next is an appointment booking mode. We use chat trigger to get the information from the users and extract only the date and time we needed. uh, we had information of certain doctors, availability of time and date. We will check the given date and the sheet date with using the code node, and again we'll send the message to the user that the slot is available or not. Next is an health recommendation. We use webhook trigger to get the details. We use appended rows of the details. Using code node, we can filter the last 7 days health vitals of the elders, and another code node to filter the average of this week. We use set function to collect the informations and use agents to recommend the health care according to the given vitals details of the elders.
So, now coming to our business model, ElderGuard is built around 9 key streams. Our customer segments includes senior citizens and their family caregivers. Our value proposition is all-in-one platform, ensuring safety, health monitoring, and peace of mind for both the senior peoples and their caretakers. Our channels include, while we have not yet implemented the prototype as mobile application, it can be further developed into a full-fledged application. And partnerships with hospitals, clinics, pharmacies. Our customer relationships are maintained through personalized alerts, family dashboards, and continuous support. Our revenue systems come from premium subscription, family plans, and institutional uh, packages. Our key resources include our AI platform, healthcare data system, and secure infrastructure. Our key activities involve app development, AI monitoring, health integrations, and user support. Our key partners includes hospitals, doctors, clinics, pharmacies. Our cost structures include technology development, cloud infrastructure, integrations, and operations. With that, the business model of ElderGuard over. Now, let us look at the impact of ElderGuard. Our goal is to make daily life easier, safer for seniors. With medicine reminders, health monitoring, appointment booking, and emergency alerts, seniors can manage their healthcare with confidence. Families can stay updated even from the distance. Looking ahead, we had planned to improve the ElderGuard further. We aim to add variables for real time health tracking, make AI smarter, better for better health insights, and include voice and regional language support for easier use. We also plan to introduce fall detection system, predictive health analytics for early risk identification, and telemedicine integration for instant doctor consultations. Additionally, we aim to expand offline functionality for low connectivity areas, integrate mental health and wellness support, and connect with government healthcare schemes for better accessibility. We also plan to grow our network of doctors, hospitals, caregivers, and community organizations to explore community based engagement features to reduce isolation among seniors. Our vision is simple: to make elderly care simple, safe, and connected. That's it. Thank you.
So what we saw in this case study was not just a product idea, but a learning process. The students, they had to understand a real problem, they have to make the decisions, they work as a team and think about how our solution could actually work as a technology product. So the feedback from the industry mentors, it actually also helped them look at their solution from a more practical and industry oriented perspective. So for me, the biggest value of this case study was seeing students move from a very simply understanding a problem to asking the better questions about the solutions they were actually building during this process. So this is what makes a project based learning a meaningful. The product, it may continue to evolve, but the thinking and the learning gained through this journey, it stay actually with the students. So thank you for watching this case study, and I'll be coming up with another case study video. Thank you.